You've poured your heart, your sweat, even your last dime into a crowdfunding project only to watch it stall. The frustration? Crushing. You craft something you believe could change everything, make a dent in the world, and yet, the moment you go live, it feels like you're screaming into a void. Where is the feedback? Where are the voices of those who pledged, those who believed in your vision? It's maddening, right? Because without their voices, without that pulse of truth, your project is a ghost, stuck, lifeless, and irrelevant. Here's the hard truth that every founder, every investor, every leader avoiding this reality is ignoring. Backer feedback isn't just a nice to have. It's the lifeblood of evolution. The raw, unfiltered, sometimes brutal comments, questions, and doubts are the only way your idea stays alive and grows. It's not data. It's not a customer email chain you answer politely. It's a relentless conversation that forces you to rethink, rebuild, and rebirth your project into something real, something unstoppable. If you treat backers like trophies or wallets, you're already dead in the water. So stop begging for applause and start demanding confrontation. When a backer tells you your prototype is clunky, your pitch is vague, or your timelines are fantasy, don't flinch. Lean into it. Run toward that fire like it's your oxygen, because that feedback loop, it's a weapon. It's an accelerant. It forces you out of your ivory tower and into the messy, sweaty battlefield where actual innovation is forged. But here's where most founders crumble. They hear the noise and get defensive, or worse, they ignore it, brushing off complaints as trolls or unreasonable backers. This is the poison feeding your project's slow death. Every ignored critique, every snubbed question takes away your chance to pivot before it's too late. If you're not building a system to capture, process, and act on that feedback every single day, your project isn't evolving, it's decaying. You must obsess over creating feedback loops that are immediate and ongoing. Slack channels, regular live sessions, transparent updates where you invite brutal honesty, not polite niceties, ruthless clarity. Let your backers know that their input shapes the very next step of your project. No lip service, real power sharing in every sprint. And here's a game changer. Use that feedback to create micro innovations, tiny shifts that cumulatively transform your project. Don't wait weeks or months to roll out an update. Test, fail, and improve multiple times per week if you can. Turn your backers into co-creators, warriors in your cause. They aren't just funders, they're your front line. For investors and leaders watching, this is your blueprint. Hunt for founders who harness feedback like this, who invite it fiercely. Because those projects don't just survive crowdfunding, they transcend it. They evolve relentlessly and multiply impact well beyond what you imagined with your initial capital. Make no mistake, crowdfunding without feedback is like trying to steer blindfolded. But when you master the backer feedback loop, you unlock the code for unstoppable progress. You break through illusions of control and comfort. You build a living, breathing entity that adapts and grows into a force that shakes systems, breaks borders, and redefines what's possible. So here's the raw order. Stop hiding from your backers' doubts. Build channels that demand their honesty. Respond with speed and humility. Make every negative comment a spark for change. Iterate so fast they can barely keep up. Turn your crowd from a passive audience into a fierce network of collaborators who pull your project through the brutal storms of uncertainty. This is how founders survive the lonely fight. This is how investors spot true potential. This is how projects evolve into revolutions. If you chase comfort, you get stuck. If you run toward the brutal feedback, you become unstoppable. No exceptions, no excuses.